Hey guys, this video I want to let you know how to make money from Clickbank by the CB Passive Income Permit Program CB 4.0. Imagine if 1. You didn't need to write or produce any content. 2. You didn't need to create any courses to be given away. 3. You didn't need to create any products to sell. 4. You didn't need to write any sales letters. 5. You didn't need to pay for hosting or an autoresponder. 6. You didn't need to send emails at all. 7. You didn't need to provide any customer service or follow-up. 8. You didn't need to research for what products or affiliate programs to promote. 9. You didn't even need to learn internet marketing. So here's how it works. I've invested in and created a very unique software system that allows you to make money from using my valuable content and promotions. Basically, the software generates a unique link, only available for you to use, where it'll send them to a secret web page to get my highly valuable software and course for free. And here's the most exciting part. After they've subscribed, each time an email is sent to them from the system, it'll have your affiliate link to the product that's being promoted so that you can earn affiliate commission from it. So technically, in essence, every single email that is sent out from CB Passive Income System will have the potential to make money for you. And you don't need to do any work at all, because I am working for you, for free. It's like having me create content for you, do all of the marketing for you and continue to think of ways how you can make even more money. I'll continue to monetize the subscribers for you. And the good news is, you've already read my credibility. I've been in this business for a decade now and have thousands of customers all around the world. Heck, with this program, you don't need to do anything except for one simple task. When you choose to use the CB Passive Income license, you will get an exact clone of my proven, successful business with the potential to generate a passive income through it. And we'll handle absolutely everything for you. In short, you simply give away my software or courses. You'll then get subscribers and our systems automatically take over and it's all hands-free income and support for you after that. Keep in mind that this is true internet business that you can own. All that you need to do is to focus on one simple task. Give away my prepared products for free. The task is simple, just give away the free product through your unique link. You're not even required to sell anything to anyone. Selling is no here. I'll do the selling for you, I'll be the bad guy. The good news is, when you get the license, I'll also train you how to promote your unique link effectively. Inside the program, I have prepared the training to teach you how to get traffic from all kinds of methods, including social media and paid ads. You'll be promoting on the internet, not emailing to your friends. Once you've fully set up, you'll be able to use my software to get yourself started and access all of my training material. And, you'll not be required to pay for any license fee, ever. This is, by far, a very rare opportunity presented to you, to clone my entire marketing system to generate affiliate commissions. If you expect to do absolutely nothing, this is not for you. It won't work. Do not sign up for my program. See more a testimonial from the founder of ClickFunnels and top internet marketer, Russell Brunson, link in the description. Seriously, put the CB passive income system to work for you. It's the ultimate way to start making Clickbank affiliate commissions and money online. If you are really ready to start a real internet business and start making serious money while you sleep, the best decision you can make is to get your license purchased right now.